So if you're experiencing shoulder pain sitting at your desk, there's a few things you can try to help alleviate those symptoms. And the first thing being adjusting your mouse position at your desk. If your mouse is too far out from your keyboard area where you're typing or using your laptop keyboard, that's going to cause some imbalance in your shoulder, particularly just that chronic reaching position can cause shortening of these shoulder muscles here and lengthening of these shoulder muscles in the back, which can cause imbalances in your shoulder and lead to some of that pain that you might be experiencing. So something that you can do to help with that mouse position is to just try to bring it as close as you can to your typing area. Right next to your keyboard would be the ideal position. So that way we're not reaching too far out. It's right next to you at your side, and you're able to keep your shoulder back into a retracted position and a more balanced posture for your shoulder. The next thing would be for your keyboard. If your keyboard is too out far in front of your body, outside of your center of mass, you could be reaching too far with both of your arms, both of your shoulders. And that's going to cause the same thing as if our mouse is too far away. That'll lead to shortening of these structures in the front of our shoulders, lengthening or chronic lengthening of our back muscles here at our rhomboid minor or rhomboid major. So we want to ensure that our keyboard is a little bit closer to our body. And then that way we can have a more retracted position in our shoulders and maintain a more ideal posture, which would help alleviate some of that shoulder pain as well. And then if you're frequently reaching at your desk for items, like say you have a phone here, either side, left or right side, and you're frequently reaching out pretty far to pick up the phone, and say you get phone calls, every few minutes during the day, if you can try to either bring that phone closer to your keyboard so that way you're not reaching too far out from your center of mass, or if you can wear a Bluetooth headset, that can help as well. And then that way it's just a push of the button, or you can just immediately start speaking that way, and you're not chronically reaching out, causing those further imbalances in your shoulder. And then lastly, if you have an item like, say, a paper tray that might be too far out in front, something that could be causing pain is the continuous reaching for that paper tray, bringing that closer to your body so that you're not chronically reaching. So the idea with all of these interventions to help with our shoulder pain while we're sitting at our desk is to ensure that our workspace and our workstation is as close to you as you can comfortably make it. So that way you're not straining or reaching too far with your arms, which could be causing that imbalance in your shoulders. And having your workstation a little bit closer to you can help you maintain a little bit more neutral of a posture throughout the day, which will help alleviate some of those symptoms and take stress, mechanical stress, or repetitive stress injury reduction to your body and to your shoulders, and alleviate some of that pain and discomfort. So if you found benefit from this video, consider dropping a like or tipping a coffee. It really helps support the channel. And comment below, let me know what types of things that are bothering you at your shoulder, or what types of things you've noticed have helped you at your desk. And if you're looking for some exercises that can help with that shoulder pain and help with the shortening of these muscles and the weakness of these muscles in the back of your shoulder, this video above has some exercises that you can try to get yourself into more of a retracted position in your shoulder and alleviate some of those symptoms. So check out this video above, and I'll see you over there.